It's a very, I'm a movie buff, so I remember even the words. It is nice to be simple, but it's very difficult to be simple. It is in Bawarchi by Rajesh Khanna, that word. So, so tell your children, accept reality, face the failures, have resilience, and that values you have to show, and that is more than enough for the next generation, I assume that way. More than that, I don't have an idea because I'm not a great person. I'm a very ordinary person, lived, brought up in a middle class family and lived that way even today. And I worked with the poorest of the poor people in my last 30 years. So what lesson I have learned is that teach children the following things, the rest is left to them. That's all I know.
ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಬಲ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲಭ್ಯ. ಸನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 292, ಜಿಯೋ ಟಿವಿ 1334, ಯು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ 162, ಸಿಟಿ ಕೇಬಲ್ 51, ಜಿಟಿಪಿಎಲ್ 17, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಸ್ 821, ರಾಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಟೆಲಿಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ 51, ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ನಂಬರ್ 60, ವಿನಾಯಕ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 53, ಇನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 896ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಿಷ್ಟದ ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂದಿಸಿ.